Hello, photography enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever taken a photo that turned out blurry? Don't worry, we've all been there. But fear not, today I'm going to show you a simple way to enhance your blurry photos and make them look stunning. Let's dive in. First things first, let's open up Chrome. Next, let's search for Cutout Photo Enhancer by searching into the search bar. Next, let's search for Cutout Photo Enhancer. Click on Upload Image to get started. Choose any blurry photo you'd like to enhance. I'll select this one here. Once you've selected your photo, click on Open to proceed. Now, let's give it a minute to work its magic. Now, simply click on Free Download. Isn't that amazing? With just a few simple steps, you can turn a blurry photo into a masterpiece. That's it for today's tutorial, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more photography tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy photo enhancing. See you in the next video.